Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To all my subscribers, all my supporters, all my viewers, you know I appreciate you, and every day I thank you more and more. Today we will be looking at conjunctions. A conjunction is a word that joins single words or groups of words. So you can think of it as if you're at a crossroads and one road joins another road. That's a junction. So in language arts, conjunctions are words that can join two words together, two phrases together, or two small sentences. For example, Kai likes to sing, and the other sentence, Kai likes to dance. Instead of making two sentences with that, I could simply say Kai likes to sing and dance. So and there is a conjunction. I use it to join the two small phrases or the two small sentences to make one. Now there are two types of conjunctions. There are the coordinating conjunctions and the subordinating conjunctions. Today we'll be focusing on just the coordinating conjunctions. In our next lesson, we will focus on subordinating conjunctions. Now, the coordinating conjunctions join things or ideas of equal importance. So, the coordinating conjunctions are used to join ideas or things of equal, similar importance. Example of these conjunctions are for, nor, and, but, or, so, and yet. So the most commonly used conjunctions are and, but, or, and so. So and yet most times will need a comma. For will sometimes take a comma too. Now we are going to look at some simple sentences with two conjunctions in each, and we are going to use the definition of each conjunction to see if we can figure out which one should be used in each sentence. Then you know you always have to try some for me. So afterwards you're going to try a few on your own and then we discuss. So if you look at the top of the board, I have all the conjunctions that we discussed earlier lined out. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. You'd also notice that the first letters are all capitalized, not because they're proper nouns, and they're in pink. It is because I want to highlight them. So F-A-N, that's fan. B-O-Y-S, that's boys. So if you cannot remember the coordinating conjunctions, you can think of fan, boys. The F for, the A for and, N, nor, B, but, O, or, Y, yet, and S, so. So you'll never forget the coordinating conjunctions. Fan, boys, and you are good to go. Now, what do these conjunctions mean? And probably if you look in the dictionary, it's not going to give you the exact meaning as what I'm going to give you now. But this is how I think of each conjunction when I need to use them in a sentence. And trust me, it helps. So the word for, I think of because or since. So for can be used in place of because or since, like you're giving a reason. And can mean also or in addition to. Nor means not. But, whenever we use but, we are showing a difference. Or you're making a choice. Yet can also mean but, or it shows a difference. And so you're giving a reason. That's how I look at it. So for, think of because or since, and think of also or in addition to, nor think of not, but shows a difference, or you're making a choice, yet also shows a difference or it means but, and so it's like you're giving a reason. So let us look at number 1 to 4. The wind was cool but or so dry. The wind was cool but dry, or is it the wind was cool so dry? Which one does not make sense? So does not make sense. So it should be the wind was cool. Look at this. The wind was cool. Dry. It's kind of showing a difference. Even though the wind is cool, it was also dry. So it's showing a difference. So which one shows a difference? It is but. So the best answer is but. Or the correct answer is but. The wind was cool but dry. Number 2. The wind was mild and or refreshing. The wind was mild and refreshing, or is it the wind was mild or refreshing? Again, and means also, in addition to, or means you're making a choice. So are we making a choice? Are we showing something in addition? The wind was mild and it was also refreshing. We're not making a choice, so it is not or. The wind was mild and it was also refreshing. 3. Do you want eggs but sausage? Do you want eggs but sausage? Or is it do you want eggs or sausage? You have a choice. You can choose between eggs or sausage. What do you choose? We have to use or. Do you want eggs or sausage? So that's a choice. Remember, but is showing a difference. So you're not looking at difference now. You're looking at making a choice between eggs and sausage. Last one. She kept singing for or so she would not lose hope. Let's read that again. She kept singing for she would not lose hope, or she kept singing so she would not lose hope. Now, for means because. Where is it? Because. Remember, she kept singing. Did they tell us why she kept singing? Yes. So she would not lose hope. She was singing so she would not lose hope. If it had said she kept singing because she does not want to lose hope, then that's a different situation. It could be she kept singing because she does not want to lose hope. But in this case, it is she kept singing so she would not lose hope. There you go. Now it's your time to give a few sentences a try. Let us see how much you have learned. Okay guys, it is your turn. I gave you some easy ones, just 3 of them, but 4 conjunctions to fit in. You are going to look at each conjunction and its definition and see if you can figure out which one fits the sentence. No cheating, as usual. Number 1, she will succeed, blank, she is determined. She was upset, blank, not heartbroken. He is short, blank, strong, and young, blank, wise. Pause your videos and put your answers, then come back and check to see if they are correct. Let's go. Pause that video. She will succeed, blank, she is determined. Why is she going to succeed? She will succeed, for she is determined. She will succeed and she is determined. She will succeed nor is determined. She will succeed but is determined. She will succeed or is determined. She will succeed yet she is determined. She will succeed so she is determined. She will succeed. Why? For. I know it sounds funny, but for is correct. She will succeed. Why? For, remember the word because would fit in perfectly. She will succeed because she is determined. So for fits there. Because would have fit perfectly too. Number 2, she was upset, not heartbroken. Was she upset for not heartbroken? Upset and not heartbroken? Upset nor and nor not heartbroken? Or but not heartbroken? Which one did you choose? She was upset but not heartbroken. So even though she was upset, she was not heartbroken. So but there shows the difference. Even though she was upset, the difference is she was not heartbroken. Last one. He is short, blank, strong, and young, blank, wise. Now, in this case, we could use 2 conjunctions. The same one here and the same one here, or we could use one here and one here. So he is short but strong. We could say that. Or we could say he is short yet strong, because but is showing a difference, and normally you wouldn't associate strong with short. I know I'm short and I know I'm strong. You would not normally associate short with strong. So that would be the difference there. He is short but strong. Or look at yet, because yet also means but. He is short yet he is still strong. He is short yet strong. And young, it could be but wise. Even though he's young, he is still wise. So he is short yet strong and young but wise. There you go. I hope you get them all correct. If not, put it in the comment section. Let me hear how you did. Let me hear which one tripped you up. And if you got them all correct, you know the... Yes, tap yourself on the shoulder. Don't wait on anyone to do that. It's the end of our lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you do, show me by giving a thumbs up, share it with everyone you know, And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget that notification bell, because that's what's gonna remind you or let you know when a new video is posted. See you in our next lesson. Bye.